click bell button.
In this video, we are going to see about types of test input. So first one is step signal. At time t equal to 0, its magnitude is A. When time increases, it means time greater than 0, it maintain its magnitude constant. There is no changes here. This is a step signal. Its mathematical expression can be written like this. So it means R of t equal to 0 or greater than 0. We see from this graph t equal to 0 or greater than 0, its value always constant. We can say here A. If suppose it is a unit step, means A value equal to 1. We see from this graph t less than 0. It means time less than 0 means its magnitude 0. Here there is no magnitude. Next one is ramp signal. So ramp signal means at t equal to 0, it will start. Then when t greater than 0, it will continue its magnitude like this. So we can say when time increases, its magnitude increases like this. Suppose if t equal to 1 means this is t equal to 1, its magnitude will be A. Suppose t equal to 2 means its magnitude equal to 2A. Therefore, its mathematical expression can be written as R of t equal to A into t when t greater than or equal to 0. We see from this graph, if t less than 0, t less than 0 means there is no magnitude. It means we can say it is a 0. Next one is parabolic. So parabolic in the sense at t equal to 0 it will start, and when t keep on increases, the magnitude of the parabolic signal will increase like this. It means its magnitude is, we see, if suppose t equal to 1 means this magnitude is 0.5. Suppose if t equal to 2, its magnitude is 2a. Suppose if time equal to 3 means its magnitude will be 4.5a. 4.5a. So this is means time t equal to 1 means the magnitude is 0.5a. Time t equal to 2, the magnitude of the signal is 2a. If time t equal to 3, the magnitude of the signal is 4.5a. The mathematical expression of this signal can be written as R of t equal to a into t square divided by 2 when t equal to 0 and greater than 0. So we can say when t equal to 0 and greater than 0, its magnitude will be a t square divided by 2. So we see, now we can take an example, t equal to 2. Here we can substitute 2 power 2 4, 4 divided by 2 2, therefore its magnitude is 2a. Similarly, we can substitute time various times and we can find the magnitude of this signal. So now when time t equal to less than 0, from this graph, this is the 0 time less than 0 part, there is no magnitude. Therefore when time less than 0, the magnitude of the signal is 0. Next, impulse response. Impulse response in the sense when time t equal to 0, infinity. Apart from t 0, it means t greater than 0 or less than 0, its magnitude are 0. Therefore, its mathematical expression can be written as, so we have to represent impulse signal in terms of del of t. So del of t equal to infinity when t equal to 0. Similarly, when t not equal to 0, its magnitude are 0. So these four are the types of input signal. We are going to write the standard test signals. We know types of signals are four types: step signal, ramp signal, parabolic signal, impulse signals. So this we see input step signal, we can write it as unit step. Similarly, ramp signal we can write it as unit ramp. Parabolic signal also we can write it as unit form. In this video we are going to write these, we are going to write expression for these signals in terms of time and also in terms of Laplace transform. Otherwise we can say S term or frequency term. So this is time domain equations. Here in this part we are going to write the S domain or frequency domain or Laplace transform domain. For step signal R of t equal to A. Suppose if unit step means A value equal to 1. So if we take the Laplace transform for this one, we will get A is constant, therefore we have to consider here 1. So 1, if we take Laplace transform for 1, its value is 1 by s, therefore A by s. For unit step we know 1 by s. Suppose for ramp signal we know the expression A of t. If it is unit ramp means here magnitude equal to 1, therefore t alone. So now we have to take Laplace transform, we will get A by s square. We know the Laplace transform of t equal to 1 by s square. So here for unit ramp signal, Laplace transform will be 1 by s square. Similarly, for parabolic, we know the expression for parabolic signal is a t square divided by 2. Unit parabolic is t square divided by 2. So now we have to take the Laplace transform and we have to write here its Laplace transform. So suppose if it is constant, therefore A, then next t square divided by 2. For this we have to write the Laplace transform. Laplace transform of the signal is 1 by s cube. Next for this, yes, A will not come, therefore 1 by s cube alone. Next for impulse, we know t equal to 0, its value is infinity. Therefore we can represent del of t. So if we take Laplace transform for this, so its value is 1. So we see these are all the basic types of signal. Its expression in terms of time domain. Its equivalent expressions in terms of Laplace transform. Otherwise we can say in terms of S domain or in terms of frequency domain.